What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? Do watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can transfer Tether from Binance to Trust Wallet. So for those people who do not know Binance, Binance is the world's top cryptocurrency exchange where you guys can buy and sell crypto. So if you guys also want to sign up into it, I will leave a referral link in the description which you guys can use to sign up into Binance and get up to $10 bonus for signing up into it. And for those people who do not know Trust Wallet is a digital crypto storing wallet where you guys can store your crypto. Alright, now with that said, for those people who do not know Tether, Tether is also known as USDT and it's a stable coin because its value is equal to $1. It's not going to go up than that, it's not going to go down than that. That's why it's called a stable coin. Alright, now with that said, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial for future videos just like this. And if you guys have any question related with the video, you can ask us in the comment. Now let me show you guys how you guys can transfer your Tether from Binance to Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet and click on Tether. Once you go on Tether, you want to click on copy. Now once you copy this, you basically copied the wallet address of Tether. After you do that, open Binance. And on Binance, you want to go on versus wallet over here. And on wallet, you want to go on versus withdraw. Now once you go on withdraw over here on search, you want to search for USDT and then click on USDT over here. Once you do that, you want to paste the address which you copied from Trust Wallet over here and then choose the network, choosing which network you want to use. Over here where it says amount, you want to enter the amount of Tether you want to transfer, and after you do that, you want to click on withdraw. And once you do that, your Tether will be transferred from your Binance to Trust Wallet. So hope you guys were able to understand, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, and see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.